Thanksgiving isn't Thanksgiving when your nearest and dearest aren't around, because it's so important to get together for a Thanksgiving dinner. But for starters, we need to cook traditional dishes and other treats. And doing it is way more pleasant when there are 3 of you. A stuffed turkey became the symbol of this holiday a long time ago. That's why we'll start cooking it first. Make marinade so the meat is tasty, juicy, and soft. Mix butter with cumin, thyme, Dijon mustard, chopped garlic, salt, pepper, and honey. Stir the ingredients and keep up the good mood. Apply the marinade onto the turkey by nicely rubbing it in. Then chop apples and lemons and stuff the turkey with them. Cover it with foil and bake for 2 hours at 480 degrees Fahrenheit. The friends who will also be celebrating can help set the table. And meanwhile, we keep on cooking. A cheese casserole is up next. Sieve flour and add corn and sour cream to it. Grate cheddar cheese, adding cottage cheese. Cut bacon into big pieces and finely chop fresh herbs. Mix the ingredients together. Put into a baking mold and bake in an oven at 345 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Decorate it with fresh thyme and rosemary sprigs. In order to cook a perfect pumpkin tart, cut pumpkin into big pieces and bake it. Add salt, spices, and butter to flour. Mix it to get an even consistency and crack in an egg. Put the dough into a fridge. Process the baked pumpkin with a blender, add in cream, sugar, and egg, and stir it. Then spread the dough over a baking mold and bake it for 15 minutes at 355 Fahrenheit. Pour the pumpkin mix into the ready crust and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes or more. Decorate the tart with walnuts when it's done, and you can easily add it to your Thanksgiving table. If you want to impress salad lovers, cook a sauce. Mix Dijon mustard with lemon juice, olive oil, and honey. Cut a pear into slices. And then fry walnuts and sunflower seeds in a saucepan without any oil. Assemble the salad. Rip arugula leaves, add in Dijon mustard, sprinkle with seeds and walnuts. Add in some grapes and slices of pear. Pour in the sauce and mix it. put into a nice plate and grate Parmesan cheese on top. For the next dish, boil potatoes with the peel. Then remove the peel and mash the potatoes. Add water, cream, and stir it. Then add eggs and butter. Make the texture creamy. Season it. Pour into a mold and bake it at 390 Fahrenheit until you get a golden crust. Baked mashed potato is done. We start cooking mushroom veggie stew with cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. Place them, add salt, pepper, and cream on top. Bake in an oven for 30 minutes at 355. At the same time, heat a pan, chop mushrooms, and fry them in butter. Add carrots and onion rings. Cook it until it's done. Add salt and pepper to taste. Put fried veggies and mushrooms onto the baked cauliflower and Brussels sprouts and serve the dish. Apple cider works great with all dishes. In order to prepare it, cut an apple and an orange into circles. Add apple juice, spices, and cook it for 15 minutes on a low heat. Nicely prepare the cider for the serving after it's done. For the dessert, cut sweet potato into cubes. Add butter and a sprig of thyme and bake it. Then cook caramel. Fry sugar with water. When it dilutes, add cinnamon, anise, walnuts, and ginger. Cook it for 2 minutes and pour it on top of baked sweet potato when it's done. Mix it and sprinkle with marshmallows. Put into an oven for 10 minutes at 340. We're moving on to cranberry sauce for our turkey. Bring sugar, orange zest, and water to boil. Then add cranberry and cook it for 10 minutes on a low heat. This sauce is super simple to cook. It's time to eat. Cozy atmosphere, friendly hugs, and gratitude to each other for these nice treats cooked together. This is exactly what Thanksgiving is supposed to look like. Everyone gets a piece of happiness.